Okay, so here's an example of how to work through direct proportion questions. So first thing you're told is that t is directly proportional to u. So what we're going to do is we are going to write that just in shorthand. So t is directly proportional. There's a directly proportional symbol to u. Then we are going to write the same thing, but with an equal sign, and instead of the directly proportional, it's going to be a constant times u, and that's because t will always equal some constant times by u. That's what directly proportional means. Then we're going to substitute in the numbers we know. So we got 24 and 8. So if we substitute in 24 for t, don't know k, and then 8. Hopefully you can see if I divide by 3 here, divide by 8 here, I'm going to get that k is equal to 3. Dividing by 8 gets me 3, divided by 8 gets rid of that. So because I know that k is 3, I can go back to this line and I can write out my formula, which is k equals 3 times u. And I'm going to use that formula to find the different things they want. So they want t when u is 7. So t equals 3 times 7, which is 21. And for part B, we want u when t is 39. So 39 equals 3 times u. Well, you can divide both sides by 3 and realize that u is going to equal 13 there. So we got both our answers, and it was all found by getting the formula first. So I'll recap those steps quickly. First thing is you're going to write out the directly proportional statement in shorthand. They write it in the question in longhand, you write it in shorthand. Then replace it with t equals, or whatever the letters are, equals some constant times the other thing. You're going to get an easier formula if you pick the thing with the bigger number to be on its own, to be first. So that's why I picked t to be first, because if I did it the other way around, I'm going to get a decimal value for k. It'll still work, but it'll be a harder number. Then I'm going to substitute in the numbers I'm given. Then I'm going to figure out what k is. And then I've got my formula, because I know what k is. I can go back to this line and I can just replace the k with what the value is. And then have a look at what they're asking you. I want t when u is 7, so use the formula. Substitute in u as being 7 to work out that t is 21. And the last one, u when t is 39, substitute in t is 39. And then rearrange this, so divide both sides by 3, and you're going to get u is 13. So hopefully that helped. And now you know how to complete direct proportion questions.